channel. We are here at Ramdara today. Ramdara is just 25 kilometers from Pune. You can come here by your own vehicle or by public transport available. There are few stalls where you can have light snacks. There is two-wheeler and four-wheeler paid parking. This is the main entrance of the temple. The temple is known for its breathtaking view and it's a must-visit place in Pune. It is surrounded by the hills and the huge greenery. The temple and its surrounding is very clean. The timings of the temple is from morning 5 am to evening 5 pm. There are various idols over here. The temple is known for Shiv and Parvati idol, but it's also famous for Lord Ram, Lakshman and Sita's idol. The temple was built in 1970 by Dhundhi Baba. Next to the temple is the ashram of Devpuri Maharaj, also known as Dhundhi Babaji. The temple and its surrounding is very peaceful and gives a very positive vibe, and it's very calm and relaxing. The temple is usually crowded in the weekends. Also has an impressive idol of Nandi ji along with Shiv and Parvati. The temple is surrounded by the lake on all the three sides. After doing the parikrama of the temple, we moved outside. This is the outside area of the temple where there are a lot of green trees and they provide a lot of shade even in the summer season. It is a good area for the children to play and enjoy. The temple also have few ducks. These ducks are usually found in the lake, but as it's a summer season, they have been kept in the shaded area. The children over here enjoy a lot watching these ducks. Here you can bring your own meal, breakfast, lunch, and have and enjoy it with your family. The temple is amidst the beautiful lake and the walkway around the lake to explore and take the beautiful pictures. The temple also gives a mirror reflection in the lake, which is very beautiful and scenic to see. So you can come and explore the beauty of Ramdara. Until next time, happy travel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.